Now we are moving to section 3. Introduction to cyber threat hunting. So, what is cyber threat hunting? Threat hunting is the practice of proactively searching of cyber threats that are undetected in your network. It deep it dig deep to find malicious actor in your environment and take necessary action against it. With threat hunting, you use human to go find stuff versus waiting a technology to alert you. Don't sit back and wait for knock the door. Proactively chase down the sign of intruder present in your network. So what are you looking when you're doing a threat hunting? You will be looking for anomaly, things that don't usually happen. Why cyber threat hunting is important? Threat hunting main purpose is to reduce the time needed to find a sign of threat or already breach in your infrastructure. Since zero-day and advanced persistent threat continuously to challenge security analyst, researcher and implement the threat analysis tool to approach and discover the threat more efficiently. Another benefit can be identify the necessary gap between detection and response, find use cases and detection analysis, expose new threat and TTPs that respond to a threat intelligence process.